Labubu unboxing. So yes, I finally got my hands on these after like so long. I don't even know if they're even trending anymore, but I got one. Okay, so there's all of these options. I honestly hope I get this one, which is Baba. That one. So yeah, and I'm honestly scared because most people haven't got their hands on a real Labubu, but I'm hoping this is real. Most people get Lafufus, but I'm scared. Okay, let's open it. Oh, so you know how it comes with the wrap? I'll get back to y'all once I open the wrap. Okay, so we open the wrap. I'm scared. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. What? Hold on. I'm confused. I just spent like $50 on a Labubu when I got this. Is this like the secret? What? Is that like the secret? Is it that one? I mean, it looks short. Wait, I think I got a Lafufu. I think I got scammed. Bye guys. Please make this video go viral for all the sadness and madness I am going through. I just spent a lot of money on that and I got this. Literally this. Bye guys. Mwah.